The Little Giant foot kick hand trucks provide extra leverage to break large and heavy loads back. When tilting the load back, use your foot to push the patented foot lever forward and gain extra leverage. With lighter loads, this kick and go motion also makes it easier to start moving. No more dragging the truck backwards as you try to tilt the load back. Just kick and go. All Little Giant hand trucks are constructed of 14-gauge steel tubing with a durable powder-coated finish. The stair glides are constructed of the same 14-gauge steel tubing and are extra tall to significantly increase the frame strength and rigidity. The 5/8" diameter zinc-plated axle can be positioned to accept the wide variety of both 8" and 10" diameter wheels that are available.